Hi students, how are you all? Are you fine? Okay. Today we are going to start exercise 4C, sum or differences of cubes. Already we know these two formulas. First one is a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. And the second one, a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. These two formulas are very important. The whole exercise goes on this. Now we'll come for the exercise. Factorize first problem, x cube plus 64. We have to convert into the shape. X cube, okay, no problem, plus 64 I am writing as 4 cube. Find factors near the problem. That is part and parcel of the problem. We have to convert in that style formula form shape. So x cube plus 4x cube. X cube plus 4 cube. Now it is in the formula a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. You have to mention the formula, which formula we are using. Now in the place of a, x is there. In the place of b, 4 is there. So x plus 4 into x square minus x into 4 plus 4 square. Now that is equal to x plus 4 into x square as it is minus x into 4 is 4x plus 4 square. 4 4s are 16. So it's 16 you have to write. This is the final answer. Coming to the second problem. 8a cube plus 27b cube. Now I am writing 8a cube as 2a whole cube. 8, find factors. 2 goes 4 times, again 2 goes 2 times. So 2 cube. 8 means 2 cube. Already a cube. So 2a whole cube plus 27, find factors. 3 goes 9 times, again 3 goes 3 times. 3 cube. So 3b whole cube. We have to convert into factors. Now it is in which formula? A cube plus b cube. You have to learn and by heart these formulas. When you know this formula, we can solve these problems. So a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. That is equal to, in the place of a, 2a is there. In the place of b, 3b is there. So 2a plus 3b into 2a whole square minus 2a into 3b plus 3b whole square. Now final answer, that is equal to 2a plus 3b into 2a whole square means 2 2s are 4, a square. So 4a square minus 2 3s are 6 and ab. So minus 6ab plus 3b whole square means 3 3s 9 and b square. This is the answer. Coming to third problem, 7a cube plus 56b cube. For 7 there are no factors to change into cube, and for 56 also there are no. So on the whole I am taking 7 table is common. 7 goes here 1 time, 7 goes here 8 times. So 7 table I am taking common. So 7 into a cube plus 8b cube. Are you able to follow? Now we got a cube, okay, no problem. 8b cube we can write as 2b whole cube. So 7 into a cube plus 2b whole cube. Now which formula? A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Now in the place of a only is there. In the place of b, 2b is there. So 7 into a plus 2b into a square minus a into 2b plus 2b whole square. Now 7 into a plus b into a square as it is minus 2ab. This is minus 2ab plus 2b whole square means 2 2s 4 b square. Fourth problem. x to the power of 5 plus x square is given. On the whole, we are taking x square common because we have to bring to the shape of a cube plus b cube. So x square, if I take common, here x to the cube will be there, x cube, and already x square we took outside, so 1 plus 1 will be remaining. Now I got the shape a cube plus b cube. Sir, where is b cube, sir? We can write as 1 cube. So a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Now x square into x cube plus 1 cube. X square as it is. Now I am applying formula. In the place of a, x is there. In the place of b, 1 is there. So x plus 1 into x square minus x into 1 plus 1 square. X square into x plus 1. X square minus 1x is x. So minus x plus 1 square means 1 ones are 1. So this is the answer. Coming to fifth problem. 16x to the power of 4 plus 54x. On the whole, 2 table is there common and 1x is common. So 2x I am taking common. If I take 2x common, the remaining is 2 goes in 16 8 times. Out of here 4x cube is there, 1x I have taken outside. So x cube is remaining. Plus 2 goes in 54 27 times. So 2x into 8x cube I am writing as 2x whole cube. Find factors for 8. Next 27 3 cube. Find factors for 27. Now we got a cube plus b cube formula. A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. In the place of a, 2x is there. In the place of b, 3 is there. So 2x we have taken common, that 2x into 2x plus 3 into a square, 2x whole square minus ab, 2x into 3 plus b square, 3 square. Now simplify it. 2x into 2x plus 3 into 4x whole square means 2x whole square means 4x square minus 2 3s are 6x. 2 3s are 6 and x is there 6 plus 3 square means 9. This is the final answer. Coming to the sixth problem. 216x cube plus 1 by 27. Find factors for 216. You got 2 cube and 3 cube. 2 cube and 3 cube. 2 3s are 6. So 6 cube you can write. 6 cube. So in the place of 216 x cube, you are going to write 6x whole cube plus 1 by 3 whole cube, because 1 cube means 1 only, and 27 we can write as 3 cube. Here only it is there. See, 27 means 3 cube. Now we got the shape of a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Now apply the formula. In the place of a, 6x is there. In the place of b, 1 by 3 is there. So 6x plus 1 by 3 into 6x whole square minus 6x into 1 by 3. This is into, dot indicates multiplication, plus 1 by 3 whole square. Now 6x plus 1 by 3 into 6x whole square means 6 6 are 36 and x square. Here 3 table goes in 6 2 times, so minus 2x plus 1 square means 1, 3 3s are 9. Seventh problem. A to the power of 6 plus b to the power of 6. I am writing as a square whole cube plus b square whole cube. Y means 2 3s are how much? 6. 2 3s are 6. Now it is in the form of a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Now in the place of a square is there. In the place of b square is there. So a square plus b square into a square whole square minus a square into b square plus b square whole square. Now a square plus b square into a to the power of 4, 2 2s are 4, minus a square b square plus b to the power of 4, excuse me. Now this is the final answer. Next, eighth problem. A to the power of 4 plus 343a. A we can take common from the first two terms. If we take a common, then here one a will be reduced, one power. So a cube plus 343. Find factors for 343. 7 table goes 49 times. 7 sevens are 49. So in the place of 343, write 7 cube. Find factors. Now we are writing as a cube plus b cube. Formula a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Now in the place of a is there. In the place of b, 7 is there. So a into a plus 7 into a square minus a into 7 plus 7 square. Now a into a plus 7 into a square minus 7a plus 7 sevens 49. Coming to the ninth problem. 125x cube plus 1. Find factors for 125. 5 goes 25 times, second 5 is 25. So 125 is equal to 5 cube. So replace. So 5x whole cube plus 1 cube. 1 how many times you write? So cube. For formula's sake. A cube plus b cube shape came. Now using this formula, a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So 5x plus 1 into 5x whole square minus 5x into 1 plus 1 square. Now 5x plus 1 into 5 is 25 x square. So 25x square minus 5x. 1 ones are 1. Tenth problem. 2a cube plus 16b cube minus 3a minus 6b. From the first two terms, take two table common. Then it will be a cube plus 2 goes in 16 8 times. 8b whole 8b cube. Keep bracket. From the first two terms, we took two table common. From the next two terms, minus 3 you take common. When we are taking minus, quite opposite. And minus becomes plus a. And 3 goes here 2 times. So minus becomes again plus here. A plus 2b. So take minus 3. Minus 3 is common in both the terms. So minus 3 into a plus 2b. Now 2 into a cube plus 2b whole cube. Because 8 cube we can write as 2b whole cube. Minus 3 into a plus 2b. Now it is in the form of which formula? A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Now in the place of a is there. In the place of b, 2b is there. So 2 into a plus 2b into a square minus a into 2b plus 2b whole square, because 2 is there, b also whole square. Minus, don't forget this one. Still problem is there. Minus 3 into a plus 2b. Don't forget the next one. Now 2 into a plus 2b into a square as it is minus 2ab. You have multiply here. Minus 2ab plus 2 2s are 4 and b square. So 4b square minus 3 into a plus 2b. This is all first term. This is second term. Two terms are there. First term, second term. In first term and second term, a plus 2b is common. Can you see here a plus 2b? Here also a plus 2b. So on the whole I am taking a plus 2b as common. And the remaining is 2 into a square minus 2ab plus b square. This is first term. And we have taken common. Again minus 3 is left. So this is the final answer. A plus 2b into 2 into a square minus 2ab plus 4b square minus 3.